There are three types of muscle tissues. All three of the muscle tissues are located in different places. For example, cardiac muscle tissues are located in the myocardium, smooth muscle tissues are located within the walls of the tubes in our hollow organs, and skeletal muscle tissues are attached to bones. Cardiac and skeletal muscle tissues share a similar appearance by being striated, whereas smooth muscle tissues aren't. Also, cardiac muscle tissues are uni and binuclear, and smooth muscle tissues are uninuclear, however, they are not binuclear too. And skeletal muscle tissues are multinucleated. In addition to this, skeletal muscle tissues are in a cylindrical shape and can be as long as 30 centimeters in length, whereas smooth and cardiac aren't as long because cardiac is 50 to 100 micrometers in length and smooth is 30 to 200 nanometers in length. The control of the three muscle tissues vary. Both smooth and cardiac muscle tissues are involuntary. For example, smooth muscle tissues when stretching, and the pacemaker in the heart, as well as adrenaline that our body produces, which initiates our flight or fight response. On the contrary, skeletal muscle tissues are voluntary. For example, when we want to move, we control how and what we want to do. The speed of contraction of skeletal muscle tissues, once again, are different to cardiac and smooth muscle tissues, as they are fast glycolytic and require anaerobic respiration, with also the lactic acid system. This causes these muscles to fatigue in a short period of time, but smooth and cardiac muscle tissues don't fatigue like skeletal muscle tissues, and they have slow contractions and do not require oxygen from aerobic respiration to happen. One difference between their contractions is that cardiac muscle tissues contract and are rhythmic, for example, lub dub.